I've made it very clear. I've made it very clear. Leave my home.
We understand.
Leave my home.
Okay.
Leave.
Your
Leave.
roommate's a bit...
I might need your help on this video counting how many times John Scrooby asked these cops to leave.
Leave.
Sir, we believe you.
Leave. Leave. I'm telling you, now you're going to get sued. Leave.
You know what's funny about this video is these cops do not leave until this guy tells them they're going to be on San Joaquin Valley Transparency.
Get out. I'm recording you. San Joaquin Valley Transparency, motherfucker. Get the fuck out.
Make sure you guys go subscribe to John Scrooby's channel. Let's get right back to it.
Leave. 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 Leave my home. I've made it very clear. Make sure. No, I'm being very rational.
No.
Yes, I am.
I just want to figure out what's going on.
I've made it very clear that I'm okay.
Okay. But your roommate...
And no. Leave.
Why were you yelling at your
Leave. Leave.
Why were you yelling at your
Leave.
roommate, sir?
Leave. I don't have to answer questions. Bednar, I've made it very clear. It's time for you guys to
Are you
leave.
going to be able to leave
Leave.
your roommate alone for the rest of the
Leave. Leave.
Are you going to be able to leave
Leave.
your roommate
Absolutely. Leave.
alone? Okay.
This guy already told the cops that he don't answer questions. Maybe now would be a good time to request a lawyer. And can the police continue to question you if you have requested a lawyer? No. Once a suspect in police custody requests a lawyer, the police are generally required to stop questioning the suspect until a lawyer is present. This is known as the Miranda warning and is based on the Supreme Court's decision in the case of Miranda v. Arizona. However, there are some exceptions to this rule, such as if the police have a valid public safety exception or if the suspect initiates further communication with the police. In Edwards v. Arizona, 451 U.S. 477, 1981, the United States Supreme Court ruled that once a suspect in custody requests an attorney, the police cannot continue to question the suspect until the attorney is present. This decision reinforced and expanded upon the earlier decision in Miranda v. Arizona, which established the requirements for the police to inform suspects of their rights before questioning them. The Edwards v. Arizona decision clarified that a suspect's right to counsel attaches not just when formal charges are filed, but also when custodial interrogation begins. If you guys stick around to the end of the video, we'll lay out Edwards v. Arizona 451 U.S. 477, 1981 for you guys. Plus, you're going to want to watch the end anyway, so let's get right back to it.
So you're not going to go
Leave.
to her room and
No
bang on the
problems.
door like you
Leave.
were before?
I don't answer questions. Leave.
You're not going to bang on her door?
I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions because that never happened.
keep saying that.
I don't answer questions. It's time for you to leave.
Okay.
Yeah, it's time for you to leave.
Okay.
Guys, it's time for you to leave.
I understand you. Just because you're getting louder doesn't mean I'm going to move
Well,
faster.
I live here
understand.
and I have mail here and I'm telling you to leave.
You're not the homeowner. She's a,
No, she's not. No, she's
she's
not.
a resident here.
No,
So let us know.
where's the mail?
I didn't say that she was a homeowner.
Ah, see, that's your problem. I have mail here. With all due respect, can I go over there?
No, we don't need to.
Hold on,
We know
Bednar.
you're-
Hold
we know
with
you're-
the
we
whoa,
know
whoa,
you're a
whoa, whoa,
resident.
whoa.
We're not worried about that.
Whoa! So then I'm telling you that I'm the resident. You don't have to worry about that. Leave.
I'm not worried about
Leave.
the residency.
Now you have pressured me in my own home. Leave.
Okay.
That's a fucking student loan right there.
Okay.
Leave.
Sir, we believe you.
Leave.
Recently, we've acquired some property in Michigan, and I was talking to my friend Rights Crispy, and I told him that I was trying to set up an Airbnb on the property, and he said something to me that was important. He said to always make sure that nobody is allowed to get mail on that property, because if and when they do, you'll have to evict them to get them out of there, and the cops won't be able to do anything about it. So while watching this video, the man says he has mail and shows the cops that he has mail there, and the cops have no choice but to retreat a little.
Leave. I'm telling you, now you're going to get sued. Leave. It's right there. Leave. I'm not touching you. Leave.
Please don't.
Leave.
We're going to go talk to
Leave.
you. So we're not
Leave.
doing that, though.
Leave. 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 Fuck you. Leave.
Please
Leave.
don't follow us. We're talking to your
Leave.
roommate.
I don't care. I don't care. Leave. Go home. I see you, man. It's okay. Leave. Go home. You had no right to get in here. Bednar, you need to go. Bednar? Yeah, I'm telling you, my own fucking home. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Relax,
Get
sir.
out.
We're
I don't
talking
fucking
to your
care.
roommate, John.
That's my name.
Hey, John.
She is not on the fucking shit. Get out.
Relax.
Get out. I don't care. Get out, guys. Get out.
Relax.
Get
You're
out.
talking
No.
to
Fuck
us.
you. Get out.
Relax.
It's on camera. Get the fuck out. You have no warrant. Get the fuck. And I'm telling you, you're not. She has nothing. Look at that. She has no mail here. She has nothing to do with shit. And I'm telling you right now, and that's me. Get out.
We already talked to the homeowner as well.
Yeah, go ahead. John, did you talk to him?
Yes.
That's great.
We did.
Get out.
And he invited us in.
Get out.
Sir, that's
Get
not how
out.
it works.
Get out.
That's not how it works.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's how it works.
It's not.
Get the fuck out, because he's not here.
The homeowner.
Guys, go. He's not here.
Relax.
I'm here. Shut the fuck up. Don't tell me to relax.
Relax.
Get out.
Relax.
Get out.
You need to calm down.
Get out.
We need you to calm
Get
down.
out. You know, you don't need shit. Get the fuck out.
This is why your roommate is.
I'll show another
concerned
one.
with your behavior.
I'll show another one.
What is the point?
Your behavior? Are you kidding me?
Yes, sir.
I'm dealing with somebody upstairs who's a fucking child insolent. That's what I'm dealing with right now. And I'm having to deal with that? Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out of my house. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. I'm recording you. San Joaquin Valley Transparency, motherfucker. Get the fuck out.
And that right there, folks, has to be one of the most satisfying moments for me since starting this channel. The goal was to educate people so that they know what to say when cops are trying to harass them. I could walk away today, folks, and be happy with what I've done here. But we're not done. Keep watching.
I'm telling you, you have no right to be here. Get the fuck out of my house. Get the fuck out.
We're gonna leave now.
Yeah, yo, you're about to leave? You guys all of a sudden? Get the fuck out of my house.
Please leave your roommate alone.
Get the fuck out of my house.
All right, relax.
Get the fuck out.
Relax, tough guy.
No, fucking tough guy. You wish. You wish, motherfucker. You wish, motherfucker. I wish I could put gloves on you. Let's go to left on the chin. I promise you, I'll meet you in the ring and I'll knock you out. Get out. No, get out. Get out. I made it very clear. Left on the chin. We can do it all day long. Get out. You fucking jackboot thug pig. Get the fuck out of my house.
All right, sir. Please
Bye.
leave your roommate alone.
Thank you,
Please leave your
jackboot.
roommate alone.
Thank you, jackboot thug pig.
right.
Thank you, jackboot thug pig. Thank you. And fuck you, bitch. You fucking cunt.
All right, folks, as promised, here's a breakdown of Edwards versus Arizona. The issue in this case is whether the 5th, 6th, and 14th Amendments require suppression of a post-arrest confession, which was made after Edwards had requested his right to counsel. When an accused has invoked his right to have counsel present during custodial interrogation, a valid waiver of that right cannot be established by showing only that he responded to further police-initiated custodial interrogation, even if he has been advised of his rights. On January 19th, Edwards was charged with robbery, burglary, and first-degree murder. Edwards was arrested at his home and informed of his Miranda rights. Edwards submitted to questioning where he denied involvement, gave a taped statement with an alibi, and attempted to make a deal. After being given the number of a county attorney who could negotiate a deal, Edwards responded by saying, "I want an attorney before making a deal." The questioning immediately ceased, and Edwards was taken to the county jail. The next day, January 20th, 2 detectives came to the jail to see Edwards. Edwards stated that he did not want to talk to anyone, but the guard told him that he had to talk and took him to meet with the detectives. Edwards was again given his Miranda rights and given a chance to listen to a tape of the alleged accomplice. Edwards then gave a statement implicating himself in the crime. Edwards moved to suppress the statement at trial, but the motion was eventually denied. Edwards was then convicted. It is reasonably clear under our cases that waivers of counsel must not only be voluntary but must also constitute a knowing and intelligent relinquishment or abandonment of a known right or privilege, a matter which depends in each case upon the particular facts and circumstances surrounding that case, including the background, experience, and conduct of the accused. None of the courts below looked at whether Edwards understood his right to counsel and intelligently and knowingly relinquished that right. Since the second meeting on January 20th was initiated by the officers, it did not constitute a waiver. If the meeting had been initiated by Edwards, nothing in the 5th or 14th Amendments would have prevented the police from listening to his statements and using them as evidence. And when an accused has invoked his right to have counsel present during custodial interrogation, a valid waiver of that right cannot be established by showing only that he responded to further police-initiated custodial interrogation, even if he has been advised of his rights. The right to counsel and the effect of that request on the interrogation was laid out in Miranda. In Miranda, it was decided that once counsel has been requested, the interrogation must cease until an attorney is present. Due to this, the court found that it would be unlawful for authorities to re-interrogate a suspect if the suspect has clearly requested the right to counsel. In this case, Edwards' statement was made without ever having received access to counsel, and therefore was not a valid waiver. The decision of the lower courts is reversed because the use of the statements made by Edwards after his request for counsel violated his rights under the 5th and 14th Amendments. Having requesting counsel on January 19th, Edwards did not waive that right by speaking without an attorney on January 20th. Edwards did not waive his right to counsel, and the statements made by Edwards on January 20th are inadmissible as evidence.
For over 7 years, we've been telling you guys to record the police, don't answer questions, hold them accountable. If you don't hold government accountable, who is going to do it? Internal Affairs? Internal Affairs will throw your complaints in the trash if you don't accurately pinpoint what policy they violated. Transparency and accountability is a joke to them. So that's why it's important that we, the people, know what our rights are and hold them accountable. It's also important that we record these encounters, because when it comes to your word against theirs, if you don't have video proof, the courts will consider you the liar. This guy stood on his 4th Amendment right to be secure in his home, and he stood firm. We also talk about that on our channel as well. You're supposed to be secured in your papers, persons, effects, and your homes under the 4th Amendment. We also talk about the 1st Amendment. You have the freedom of speech, press, religion, assembly, and petition. You can ballyache to your government. I'm going to be dropping John Scrooby's original channel link in the description for you guys. Make sure you go subscribe and say hello. I want to thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.